My name's Tom Gaines. I'm the Central Services Director for Grant County, Washington. Well, I was tasked by the county to bring a CMMS system to the county. They didn't have one. They were using yellow sticky notes and telephone recorded messages for maintenance. So that was what brought me into the CMMS world, and then finding Dude Solutions through crowdsourcing people's opinions. So with Dude Solutions, we've built in a lot of efficiency. The ability for mechanics to start and stop and even pause work orders if they have to go to another work order, and to have that information automatically aggregated without them having to go back and sit in front of a computer and type it all in, has been, again, much easier for us to manage those costs. It's made it very easy for our customers or the people of the courthouse to request maintenance and actually track maintenance. It's a level of ownership in the facilities they've never had before. The relationship with the people I answer to has been great. I'm able to tell them all of the things that are happening in the maintenance world, and they understand it because they understand the solution. That has made the relationship completely different. Our commissioners are truly engaged in the day-to-day of the courthouse, and having them with their finger on the pulse of facilities is a lot due to Dude Solutions and what we've been able to provide. Dude Solutions has given us the opportunity to forecast our costs. That's been a big deal for me as I sit in budget meetings and explain those costs and give our elected leaders an idea of what's coming, which we didn't necessarily have before. And I can put that out 2, 5, 10, 20 years, and they have a true idea of what I'm going to be asking them for before we even get into those budget sessions. And I knew it just very early on that as you spoke to folks at Dude Solutions, that you had a partner that was there to help you realize what your goals were. Not to sell you something, push something on you, but to actually help you achieve what you were looking for. And that brought a whole new comfort level. You just have to reach out to them and talk to them, and they're going to let you go at your own pace. You'd be a fool not to talk to them.